Hello, I'm Pierfrancesco Morosini, and I'm the CEO and President of ICROM. We are here at CPHI 24 in Milan to promote our business and to meet our preferred customers. First of all, ICROM was conceived and born as a API contract manufacturer, and this is a feature that either you have it or not. You can sense it in the organization as well as in the way the facility and the technology has been built and implemented. For us, working as a contract manufacturer is a particular way of working in which we apply our passion for the health of the people, so to provide a chemical solution to our clients' drug development. It is all about the responsiveness of our lean organization that makes ICROM to excel as a CDMO in the risk assessment rank of our biopharmaceutical customers. In other words, our customers know that successfully completing the drug development journey of their molecule is what makes us happy. This is ICROM and this is our value proposition. ICROM has a deep expertise in the small molecule modality, which is grounded towards strategic technology platforms such as safe handling from lab to industrial scale of high potent and non-potent molecules, asymmetric chemistry, diagnostic dyes manufactured as GMP active ingredients, cryogenic capabilities for very exothermic reaction, industrial chromatography, and then top-notch solid-state studies, strengthened by the recent acquisition of the French CRO Holodiag. These platform technologies make ICROM as a leader in the development and GMP manufacturing of very complex small molecules. Last but not least, we are one of the few API CDMO to hold in the same site an entire array of manufacturing scale, ranging from grams to multitons and operating fully in GMP, including the captive production of key GMP intermediates. Having ICROM a very long regulatory experience in supporting generic pharma business by filing its DMF at any regulatory agency worldwide, we deploy this deep expertise in guiding the successful development of the CMC section of the new drugs up to the commercial approval. As API CDMO, our mantra for the future is the sustainable growth. That's why, starting this year 24, ICROM has set a 4-year CapEx plan of 30 million euros to achieve 100% capacity expansion in line with the Scope 1 and 2 of the GHG protocol. I believe that sustainability ethics, along with the effort for the digitalization of the industrial processes, will be key competitiveness factor for the European industry. And then we are preparing ICROM to excel in these challenges. So thank you very much for listening to us today. And then please go to our website or to our LinkedIn profile to see more information on our activities. Thank you very much.